Good morning, guys. It is currently about 7:30, and yeah, that's a pretty crazy sunrise. I am running on about 3 hours of sleep. It is beautiful outside right now. It is currently about 7:45 in the morning, and yeah, we're about to go to Cars and Coffee, so gotta warm up this bitch. Got my handy dandy water bottle, got my keys, struggling to use my keys. Used my keys. Wow, this thing's frozen. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's a little chilly. She's gonna need to warm up for a second. And yeah, that's a thing. We can almost see through the windshield. I don't know if I'm ready to, you know what, fuck it. Oh, I can see through the windshield. No, this is a different story. But yeah, that's a lot better. You know, I should start waking up early because it is so pretty out, but I hate waking up early. I have to get gas, so I'm gonna just do this real quick. It is way cheaper here than anywhere else. Hey, cat. How's it going? I am hella tired. Oh shit, I'm supposed to pay with my phone. Hold on. Here we go. No, that's not right. There you go. Okay. We're supposed to meet Ruben and Kobe here. Only Kobe's here.
I'm just faster.
Oh, okay, alright, bud. Alrighty, before we leave, I have to hit the bank real quick. Which way is this? Okay, there we go. We still got coolant. It's burning off a little bit. I can smell it, but it should be okay for the drive up. We got extra coolant in the car. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Gotta get some cash. There's Thomas. Taking the Jeep today, huh?
I think I'm waiting for Carlo.
Yeah, is he up?
I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go to his house.
Oh, so you're not coming with this?
If he wakes up, I'll probably go.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, he has to go ahead and leave. Oh, I like the color, man. It's like a creamy sparkle. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And a very nice portion over here.
Sorry, Kobe. I'm just trying to get some nice portion holders. Rolling up with right now, that thing is sweet. Oh my god, look at all these cars. Everybody's here so early. It's only 9:30 and there's so many cars here. It's fucking crazy. I think I'm just gonna park right here then. All right, we got some Scoobies over here. Got the Evo all dappered up, not even clean. Definitely needs a wash, but that's okay. We got some cool cars over there. I can smell the coolant coming from here. But my intercooler, or my intercooler, my new radiator gets here in like 2 days, so I'm not even gonna worry about doing that. I'll just fill it up. What happened? Oh, I saw that, dude.
Yeah, you kicked up a napkin and it hit me. And I looked behind me, I'm like, damn it, come on.
Oh, it's a cappuccino. Yo, where's Carlos? Oh, the whole squad of cappuccinos. Holy shit. Hello. I love that. Look at that RX7 though. This thing's fucking sweet. Got some cool cars out here this morning already. Wow. There we go. We're just taking a little gander real quick. I saw some other cars come on in here. There's that Lexus over there. That thing's pretty sick. And yeah, it's looking good. Got a good lineup out here. This is actually one of the better Cars and Coffees out here in Washington. Hello. Nice. This thing's kind of clean too, this Integra. Ooh. Just gonna park right here. Yup. Park right where I was standing. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so I might go get something at Empire Coffee there. Oh, he's just gonna give him a stern talking to. Nice. S2000. I should have brought the S2K. Oh my god. I'm so upset. Just kidding. Yeah. This line's getting long. We should probably go get some coffee, huh? Sheesh. Yo, yeah, at the coffee stand. Can I get a white chocolate mocha, please?
Yeah, that's gonna be 422.
422 or 422?
Whichever you prefer.
You know what? I'll just take it. Thanks. We've got our cars and we've got our coffee. Yay! Fucking Eva's looking fire today. She's a little dirty, but you know, that's okay. The color pop's real nice, so we're good. I found an S2K. It's pretty low. I'm pretty sure it's on bags, so I don't think this thing is static. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh my god, dude. It really hasn't been touched.
What did you just get, Alex? What is that?
She doesn't know, dude. Apparently some hamburgers. Let's see if there's meth in it.
You just get
You
some
look
free
pretty
food from a random lady?
Yeah. I don't know if I trust it, but fuck, I'm fine.
old lady.
Could be, but looks fine to me.
Coronavirus. Ooh, ASMR.
So we are out of cars and coffee. Got some boba. Back home now. And some lady just kind of rolled through here, said she got some food from McDonald's, and they gave her the wrong order, so she just gave it to me. I guess we look homeless. But yeah, cars and coffee was all right. We didn't really walk around too much, but you know, it is what it is. So it turns out that Raphael didn't actually order my new radiator. So I'm here at AutoZone. I picked up this radiator and heater core stop leak. Apparently it's really good and it instantly stops coolant leaks, guaranteed. So yeah, we're just gonna pour half this thing into my Evo and yeah, we'll make it happen. Grabbing a quick bite to eat. Head's coming out of the car today, so that should be resolved soon. And the Evo is cooling off, so I can actually get that radiator cap off with no issues. So yeah. Alrighty.
Head gasket.
Some contact there.
These ones cut the reliefs, so we didn't actually make any contact. This one made slight contact, but it's probably fine. This one made good contact. So the valves are probably bent on this side and that side.
Yeah.
This side, no contact again. That's just like a little bit of paste from the spark plug in there. Other than that, perfect.
Alrighty, gonna go ahead and try using this stuff now. I shake it very well, pour it into that radiator. Need to drain it a little bit because we do have some in the overflow there and it's been pulling it, so yeah. Alrighty. What are we doing? Are we just airing out and airing back up as fast as we possibly can? Nice. I took that thing out for a spin earlier. It's very fun. It's cutting out though. Nice. How'd you do that? I don't.
Minimum height reached.
Is it? But you were way lower before in the front.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Now minimum maximum height.
Monster truck it.
Right.
Nice.